Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor cover. Now I have access to the first brush. To remove it, I'll pull the brush spring back and pull the brush from the holder. Now I can remove the brush lead. To install the new brush, I'll reconnect the lead and place the brush back into the holder. And I'll repeat this on the other side. And now I can reconnect the rear housing to the motor housing. I'll align the switch with the actuator and align the rear housing with the motor housing. And make sure that all of the wires are tucked out of the way. I'll reinstall the other half of the housing and secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.